Hello guys, it is so early in the morning. Today I kind of just last minute decided that I'm gonna vlog today. That's just the mood I'm in. Don't mind the mess back there. I am going to Paris on Wednesday. Today's Monday. I'm gonna be vlogging the Paris trip because it's gonna be amazing. I just thought I'm gonna bring you guys along for my day today, and I'm gonna kind of make it interesting by also doing a get to know me. So as I'm going throughout my day, I'm gonna just like answer usual get to know me questions. And yeah, that's it. Okay, let's get started. I am a morning workout person. I need to just like work out in the morning, get it out of the day, get it out of the way. That's how I know it's early, because I can't even make sentences. If I work out later, then the whole day being like, oh, I have to work out. No, I just wake up, I literally put my gym clothes on and I go. I don't even think about it. Okay, this is pretty much my gym look. I just put my hair up, sports bra, workout pants, throwing some shades, and I'm good to go. Let's do it. On my way to Soul Cycle. Hopefully I'll make it on time. I'm always a little bit late. The reason I really wanted to kind of do this get to know me is mainly because I've been doing these quizzes on my Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do, at Eman. There are get to know me quizzes, or how well do you know me quizzes, where I've basically been asking you guys questions to see how well you know me. You guys have not been doing very well. Everyone's been saying that they don't get a lot of the questions right. I thought a get to know me would be perfect. Let's get into the questions. First question, what is your name? My name is Eman, but the correct pronunciation of my name, like if you want to say my name properly, the Egyptian Arabic way of saying my name is Eman. Ooh la la. What is your middle name? I do not have a middle name. Yeah, I don't. Where are you from? Originally born in Egypt, Cairo. Grew up in Canada. So my parents immigrated to Vancouver. What? Immigrant? Yes, I am. If you're an immigrant, leave a comment below. I lived in Vancouver pretty much my whole life. And then I lived in Toronto for 2 years. And then I moved to LA in 2014. And I've been in LA for 5 years. This question is, what do you do for a living? I am a YouTuber, makeup artist. I'm an entrepreneur. Funny little note, that's something you guys might not know, is before I got into makeup and beauty and YouTube and all of this stuff, I used to be an accountant. Next question is, what is your star sign? I am a Pisces, you guys, and I am a true Pisces in every way. And if you know anything about Pisces, we're super emotional, we're very sensitive. Yeah, I'm like hardcore emo most of the time. Wow, that was the best class, you guys. I literally was dripping sweat. I feel amazing. And just like that, guys, I am back in my car. LA life. Okay, let's get into a couple more questions. How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak? Clearly, I can't even speak that well. I speak English, French, and Arabic. Arabic is my first language. I feel like I don't really get to use it that much, which kind of sucks. I never ever want to lose it. Okay, so usually after I work out, the first thing I do is make breakfast. But first, I need to shower. And I'm back in my bathroom, you guys. I have no idea how this vlog is gonna turn out. We're just gonna go with it. I wanna quickly show you guys what I'm currently using for skincare, because I love sharing all my beauty secrets. Pre-cleanse to take all the dirt, impurities, and everything off my face with the Dermalogica pre-cleanse. Dermalogica Dermal Clay Cleanser. This is my cleanser. And then I moisturize with the Dermalogica Active Moist, which I think is like the perfect moisturizer for any skin type. Yes, Dermalogica, can you sponsor me, because I love your products. The usual breakfast that I have almost every single day. 2 eggs, tomatoes, mushrooms, a little bit of spinach. The final result, omelet. Mushrooms, spinach, tomatoes, I think I already said that. A banana. I usually have a little bit of fruit with my breakfast, some cherry tomatoes, and then I have my 1 liter of water. Guess who's here? This is Myra, you guys. This is my assistant. She works with me almost every day.
Yeah, I would say so.
Myra's amazing, and we work together all the time, and she kind of helps keep my life not in chaos. How crazy does my hair look right now? This is how it dries if I just let it air dry. Let's answer a few more questions. What is your biggest accomplishment? That's a really hard one. I think just the fact that I was able to move from Canada to the US, that is such a big deal to me, and to be able to just like come here and set up a whole new life here, I think that's a really big accomplishment. Also, some of the collabs that I've done have been amazing. So my collab with Buxom, Garnier, my collab with Too Faced and Catrice, like those to me are really big accomplishments for work, I guess. Personal accomplishment, I would say probably buying my house. That was kind of a big deal. Are you competitive? Not at all. I am the least competitive person ever. I really love seeing everyone do well. I know that sounds so corny, but it's true. What is something you wish you were talented at? There are so many things, you guys. I wish I was a better cook. I don't know how to cook at all. I know how to make eggs, I know how to make pasta, but that's about it. Another thing I wish I was talented at, I wish I could sing or be in a band or play an instrument. That would be a dream. Wow, this lighting is great, you guys. So it's time to tame this craziness. Wow, this is nuts. I've never seen my hair on camera like this. Oops. Anyways, I'm just gonna do my hair. Usually just let it sit like this for a little bit before I brush out all the curls, so it actually like sets and holds. Birth myself with the curling wand. That's definitely gonna leave a scar, and it hurts so bad. This is my studio space. Do not mind the mess because it is a disaster in here because we've been shooting a lot. We have the backdrops, we have the lights, camera, PR packages that all need to be opened. We are doing like a renovation in here, so could be like beautiful place for filming. So since we are doing kind of like a big cleanup in here and we're gonna paint, we're gonna do a lot of stuff to revamp the studio. We're gonna do like a quick little organizing session, Myra and I, right now, to prep for the reno. Still a work in progress. So I'll tell you guys what we're planning on doing. Changing the floors, so it's all white. Painting all the walls white. So right now you guys can see it's kind of like a yellow. The cabinets will all be white. So it's just gonna be a beautiful space to work. I also just finished working on today's IG post. So if you're coming from this video, go find this picture, you guys, and leave me this little star emoji in the comments of the picture, and then I'll know you're coming from this video. Okay, so I am right now editing this little video for Instagram, and it's like super pretty and glossy, and I love it. By the way, that is my little dining room area. That is my little living room area. I can't wait to show you guys my house tour, but it's not done yet. This is a look. I'm testing out this new sit cream, but I look like a zebra. Ooh la la. So I finished editing that little Instagram video that I showed you guys that I was working on earlier, and I love the way it turned out. I think the editing is super cool. It just looks really stylistic and like editorial. You guys are gonna have to try to find the video on my feed and leave me, let's do the black heart emoji, then I'll know you're coming from this video. I want you guys to hear it with the music because it makes it so much better. That's it. I'm gonna call it a night. I guess subscribe if you're new to my channel. Add me on Instagram at Eman. I think I've already said that like a million times already, but if you haven't been convinced yet, then hopefully that'll convince you. Make sure you leave me comments, some kind of feedback, because I always read all the comments, and I don't know if you noticed, I always reply back. And I hope you guys liked the whole get to know me questions throughout the vlog. Let me know and I'll do more of it. I actually really enjoy doing it because I feel like there's a lot of things that you guys just don't know. Okay guys, I'll see you tomorrow. No, bye. Mwah.